Are you struggling to navigate the complex world of certification for your business? Whether you're aiming for the MBE, WBE, VBE, or DBE certification, the process can feel overwhelming, time-consuming, and confusing, but it doesn't have to be. I'm Kristina, and I've helped over 100 businesses just like yours successfully obtain their certifications. I know the challenges you're facing, and that's why I created the Certification Bootcamp. It's a step-by-step, comprehensive program designed to make the certification process easier, faster, and more manageable. You'll get expert support throughout the entire course. Whether you're stuck on a tricky part of the application or just need a little guidance, I'm here to help you. With real-world examples and case studies from businesses I've personally assisted, you'll gain practical insights and strategies that work. Each module is broken down into manageable steps, so you're never overwhelmed. You'll have access to easy-to-follow live instructional videos that explain the complexities of the certification application in plain language. These videos are designed to help you understand and apply the information in real time. With the Certification Bootcamp, you're not just learning how to complete the certification application, you're setting your business up for success. By the end of this bootcamp, you'll be fully prepared to submit a strong, successful application and take your business to the next level. Do not let the certification process hold you back any longer. Join my Certification Bootcamp today, and let's get you certified.